Guys, I got this gooey slime from Salish, but I don't know how to put it on my phone. So, okay, you guys let me know. But I'm gonna rate this because I didn't feel it yet. So, yeah. Look at this cute charms. I just love the package. And this is the package, by the way. Salish. This is so good. Like, I love this. Thank you so much for bringing this slime out. I love you, Salish. You're the best YouTuber, I can say that. Because of this slime. Like, the package, I just love it. So now let's just open it. So good. It smells literally like watermelon. And it stretches so good. Like, this is just a tiny normal slime. Let's make a bubble with it. Sorry guys, you can't make a bubble with it because I failed. Maybe this time. No, this is too tiny for making a bubble, but okay. That was one pop. Wait a minute, let me try again. And I love the watermelons that comes with it. Like, this slime is so tiny and it stretched so long. Like, I'm so happy, Salish, that you bring this thing out. Love the scent and the texture. Like, it's also slay. I'm gonna put it back like a churro. Okay, I did my best, guys, but this is the churro that I made. Like, now let's close it. Okay, bye. But can you tell me, guys, in the chat, like, how you can put this on your phone? Like, please tell me. Like, I really want to hang this on my phone because Salish is the best YouTuber. Okay, bye. Thank you for liking and subscribing and watching my video. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you enjoyed the video.